Updating your legal name with M&T Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documentation that supports your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Visit a local branch. Locate the nearest M&T Bank branch and plan a visit. It is often faster to handle name changes in person rather than online or over the phone. Step 3. Speak with a bank representative. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Complete the required forms. The representative will provide you with the necessary forms to fill out. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches your identification. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your forms and documents, ask for confirmation of the name change. This may include a receipt or a confirmation letter for your records. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with M&T Bank. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service for assistance.